Okay, chimichurri, let's go. Olive oil, extra virgin. Red wine vinegar, it's that tang. Wash your hair with it, it's good. Salt, sugar, yes, I said sugar. I'll explain later. Garlic good in everything. Fennel, you say? I don't care what you think, I'm throwing it in. Lemon for juice. Not required, but let's keep it fresh. Cilantro, parsley. Oh yeah. Get your knife ready for chopping. A cleaver will do just fine. Mortar and pestle, can't emphasize this enough. You want maximum flavor, you need to mash those herbs in their own oil. Zester for garlic, extract that flavor. Pick the leaves from the parsley and don't be a joker. Leave these stems. The cilantro's a different story. Chop this baby up, stems and all. Loosely though, mortar and pestle will do the rest. Chop, chop, shing! Garlic, 3 cloves works for me. Mash it up. Here's the fennel, deal with it. Salt goes in, let it do its thing early. Olive oil is a perfect vessel to carry these herbs where you want them. Put as much as you want. Remember the red wine vinegar? Throw that in. The sugar, which I will now explain, will balance it nicely. Lemon, zest it. Lemon juice, brighten it up. Who needs a strainer when you live dangerously? Oh yeah, there's the stuff.